Hey, Katrina here from Scrappyhorses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's time for a 5-minute how-to in Cricut Design Space. And today we are addressing how to duplicate. How many ways are there to duplicate in Cricut Design Space? Let's find out. I want to start off by going to a new project. I will left click, come to a blank canvas, and let's just choose this orange leaf. We'll close this. My first tip is to make all your changes to the first one. So get it at the size you want, the color you like, and the basic operation that you want. Once you've done that, you're ready to duplicate. One way to duplicate is right click, hit duplicate, left click. I have 2 leaves. Second way, select your leaf, right click, left click copy, right click again, left click paste. There's a second way. Third way, select your leaf. This is the best option, this third one, if you want to duplicate several times. You come right over here under the layers, click the plus right here, and you can just click it as many times as you like. This is a left click. Look at all those. Quick and easy. All right. And here's a fourth way. I'm going to select. I'm going to hit my Alt key or Option key if you're on a Mac, and just drag it down, and you have another one. So there you go. 4 ways to duplicate in Cricut Design Space. Hey, if you know of another one, leave it below. I always enjoy learning new things in Cricut Design Space. So if you know of another way, just write it below for me. Hey, have a wonderful week. I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye.